What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark Go Crazy, know what I'm saying? Back with another video. And look, today, what we gonna be doing, man? Look, damn, reindeers fell. We gonna be fake sneezing on people today, man. And as y'all know, bro, I can get my ass beat for this shit. But we finna go and get into the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. We gonna keep coming. We gonna keep coming with bangers, bro. I swear to God. Let's do it.
Man, you sneezed all over me.
I did.
Yeah, all over the back of my neck and my arm.
My fault. I got the flu. I ain't even try to do that.
Well, yeah, well, go put a mask on.
Yes, sir.
You got a flu.
Yes, sir.
Get away from me.
Yeah.
Get. You can come look when I ain't.
I got you good. My bad. I just had the flu for the past day, and I ain't know.
Yeah, you got me pretty good.
I got. I think I got to throw up, actually.
Better go throw up. Right there, buddy. Right there. Put it
No.
right
Can you hold your hands out? My back itch.
Less in the back itching if you spray on me or sneeze on me. And then I see the fucker out right here in the store. It ain't funny.
I speak Spanish.
Huh?
I speak no Spanish.
I ain't speaking Spanish, motherfucker.
I speak no Spanish.
I don't care. I'm speaking English.
I speak
It ain't
Spanish.
funny if you did whatever you did to me.
I don't speak no Spanish. I don't speak no Spanish.
I ain't speaking Spanish, you fucking dickhead.
I'm not a dickhead. I'm not a dickhead. And guess what?
there. Man, you sneeze on me.
I think I got the flu. They had tested me for the flu last week, and I said I had the flu.
Why'd you just sneeze on me?
I don't think I tried to. My fault, bro.
Barnes. Wrong with you?
What's your name?
Wow.
Because I have the flu, and I think you're a doctor.
I think you better not try nothing like that again.
Huh?
Well, I think you better not try nothing like that again. You need to find you somewhere to get.
Yes, sir. What happened, bro? You straight?
Better get somewhere, boy.
Peekaboo. They said a lawnmower or a power wash. Shit. I don't really know which one it has. Damn. I broke my. Wait a minute, bro. Come here. Do you know it cured the flu? What'd you say, sir?
Man, you spit all over me.
I had the flu. Can I do it again? You skirt? You know what, like, cure the flu and stuff?
What?
What cure the flu?
Flu?
Yeah.
Drug stuff. With the medicines on.
Yes, sir. Sadly, bro, we got put out, man. They told us to exit the building or it can be serious problems or some shit. So You finna gonna go? I can't even lie. How you doing, man? Skirt. Just done been towed up all month, man. Don't make no. Whoa. This probably what I need right here, then. Huh? The fuck?
You alright, man?
The fuck is that?
Hey,
The